If you are looking for your first EDF, and you're a pretty good pilot, your trainer plane did well, your second plane you did well, and you wanted something a little faster, this 4S 64mm EDF is a pretty good option for, I don't know, $180. You get that, you got to throw a receiver in there, but for the most part, this is a solid beginner type of EDF. I'm hesitant somewhat because there's a lot of speed involved and you have to land it a little differently, you know, but for the most part, outstanding plane. In this video, I'm just going to go through, fly the heck out of it, have some fun.
Such a smooth, cool flyer. It's just such a great plane. Fast pass.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Slow pass.
Flaps up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, that's what scares me.
Galleries always want me to go inverted lower. They love a good crash.
Scares me, Bob. Nice big loop out of this. What a great plane. Way to go, FMS.
As I said, I'm pretty impressed with this plane, and for the dollars and for the power system of 4S, it flies great. If you're so inclined to get something like this, there's an affiliate link below. If you like the video, hit that like button. Appreciate it. Helps me out. Have a great day.
Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right.